everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life and my channel. So today I have my second Birchbox. So this is the Birchbox for April. Stay tuned, I'll show you what I got. Okay, so Birchbox comes, I'll show you. It's a box inside a box, usually. That was what my first one was. So it's got some tabs to pull off, which is wonderful because I have the hardest time opening anything. So let's see what we got here. Okay. This is what it looks like inside right now. There's not tissue paper, but oh, I'm interested right now. Already on the first item in the box. So, give me just a second, and we will pull up the items in this box. Okay, glasses are on. How you guys like my glasses? Cute, huh? Those are the ones I bought on Amazon. They work just as good as the glasses that, you know which ones I'm talking about, that I broke. And those were $300, and I'm just not paying $300 for a pair of glasses that I'm blind. It's never going to show me anything clear. So if I'm over here looking at stuff, it's fine, you know. Okay, let me get to my Birchbox real quick. And we're going to go through. I am really stoked about this. I have not used these. I seen them on somebody's Amazon channel this morning, actually. Okay, so let me get to the April box. It says they have an app, which I haven't downloaded, so I'm going to need to do that. I use their website, though, and it's very easy to follow. This is the first item. And inside the first item, this is what it looks like. This is the Grace and Stella Rose Water Facial Mist. And the regular size is $25. So I just want to... Oh, that does smell good. You can't see it. It's just like water. Now, I have a big bottle of it that I got in a FABFITFUN. Halfway through your day when you're just, your face is feeling like, you know, especially on a hot, sticky day, or you're riding in an airplane or any of those things, little tiny bottle goes a long way. So I would spray my face just to rejuvenate myself coming off a plane or coming out of a store or anything like that, wherever you kind of feel like you need rejuvenation. So that is a rose water mist, and that is awesome. Let's see what else we got. Should have 5 products. Okay. The brand is Schwarzkopf. It says US Blonde Me. And it says Keratin Restore Bonding Mask. Okay, and it is, just says all blondes. And it is $25. This is a mask for your hair. It is white. It's very soft. It smells really good. It's light, but it does have a real faint sound or smell to it. Okay, can do that one. Next item, here we go. Okay, this is the next item. I was sitting here looking for this. They had put it in this. So I was like, where'd it go? So this right here says it is the, let's see, Magnetone Wipe Out Swipes, and it says they are the Amazing Makeup Remover Pads. There are 2 in there. So when you get 6 of them, they would be $20, but there's 2 in here, and they are so soft, guys. Oh, look at that. They have like striping on them. That's pretty. But they are very, very soft. So you just swipe, swipe, swipe. You don't have to use makeup remover. And these things, I have different kinds. I have the towel ones. Oh, and here's the other one. So they're a little bit different colors. I have some of the towels, and I love them. I use them at nighttime to take all my makeup off and then throw them in the laundry, and they wash up beautifully. So I haven't, I have a couple of these that I got in another box. Haven't tried the small ones yet. I probably would put them in a little laundry bag when I wash them on delicate cycle so that I don't lose them because they are tiny, tiny. Okay, so we have the little wipies. We have the rose water. Okay, so there's another mask in here. It is the Vitamask. It says Vitamask Detox Leafy Greens. And then it says Biodegradable Sheet Mask. And it is the pouch is eco-friendly too. So they're $5, I guess, for one. So here is the mask. Like I was telling you in my other Birchbox, I am definitely taking some masks to rehydrate my skin after being in the sun all day when we're on our trip. I think that would be a great idea for me to do. Okay, here is the next item. Okay, so kind of takes me a while to read off my iPad some days. This says Refill Beauty Balm. It says coming soon next to it, so I guess they don't have them in stock yet, but they will be coming. And the regular size is $12. Oh, it's got different like shades, I guess. I don't know if you can see it on my finger. Oh, it says not just a lip balm. This is your solve for anything. Plus it's refillable. Use it on your lips, cuticles, on dry patches, and even tanning your brows. That's what it says. Or even taming your brows. So it's kind of like just a balm for a little bit of everything. So you can put this on your lips, and you can put this on your brows. You can put this wherever you actually like dry patches where you need some nourishment. And it's refillable, so you don't have to rebuy the container. That's a good idea. Okay, so let me look at the rest of these products. I think that might be my free gift, that little pouch. So let's see. Okay, so I got the balm. We're gonna go through it, right? Got that. I got the rose water, which is this one. Okay, we got the little cleaning cloths, which is this one. So that's 3 items. Then we got the leafy greens mask. Then we got the hair mask. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I think because I'm a new member, I just signed up. So I got the March box and the February box. Unless everybody's getting these as a sample, I don't know. But I was looking at these online today. So this is one of those little sandwich size. And instead of reusing plastic bags, they're supposed to be waterproof, seal-proof, and spill-proof, all of that. With this, you would put your items in here instead of in a bag. So I'm going to definitely try this out. This will be good at the beach to put my snacks into because it's leak-proof, waterproof, all of that. So I like that. And let's see, that's it. Okay, so that's it for my Birchbox today. Let me just go ahead and get out of that. Whew. Marathon filming today. So I was telling you guys in my last video, I just wanted to let you know of a video that I'm making this week that I would love you to watch and comment on. It is about learning Braille. So I am blind. I only see a little bit. I see a lot of fog. If I'm close enough, I have a little tiny hole in the side where I can kind of move it around to see a little bit more. I do not see faces or shadow. I see mostly shadows and silhouettes. So I do see colors though, but not all of them. I can't tell the difference between some of them. I am going to be doing kind of a series on learning Braille. So my first video will be grade 1 Braille. And I'll explain to you what grade 1 Braille is, and it will be the alphabet. So please look for that video because I think it's going to be fun for you guys and interesting to see how blind people read and what these dots on the paperwork are. I learned Braille as a young child and then I never used it, so I lost it up here. I know what the letters are and the numbers are and some of the contractions, but I lost my ability to really feel the Braille dots. So I do have a Braille typewriter that I'm gonna have my husband get down out of the attic. Hopefully I'll be able to show it to you in one of the videos. But I really want to learn once again before I lose everything to learn to read Braille. It would be very, very helpful. So stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed and you like these kind of videos or you like travel, which I will be doing in May, subscription boxes, reviews, try-ons, vlogs, daily vlogs, weekly vlogs, just a little bit everything, and a lot about my life as a blind person. So subscribe down below if you want to continue to see these videos. Hit the like button for me, guys. That's going to make my video go out to more people. And stay tuned for the 250 subscriber giveaway. I only got 52 more to go, guys. So help me out. Share my channel with your friends. And I guess that's about it. So guys, I will see you in the next video. I hope you have the best weekend and week. Love you guys.